All right, guys, how you doing? So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the upper tinted visor on the Can-Am. So as you can see, we got the upper tinted visor on it. One of the things is we will need to actually make some modifications on it because due to what we have on the Can-Am, there's the light bar brackets here that we're actually not allowed to put the visor for a little bit. It actually comes all the way here, so we will need to actually do some cuts in order to be able to put the visor. So what we're gonna do is we will do a small mod. I actually put the visor on top, and what we've done is we take some marks all the way here and all there for this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna heat it up and then take a plier and then cut it. This is plastic. So what we're gonna do is once we heat it up, it will allow us to cut it without cracking it. So put the mark, we're gonna cut right here, this corner, and that will allow to actually make sure that we can put the visor and at the same time be able to keep our light bar. So we're gonna do the cut, and then after that, I will put it in place and I will show you the end result. All right, guys, so we just completed the cut and managed to fit the upper. So from the front, you cannot see it really well, but all the way up, so it's covering the rain that's gonna come between the light bar and the roof, so which is really good. The other thing is, sorry if it's a little bit dusty, it's gonna cover really well here, so it's gonna limit the amount of water that will come in when it's raining, or the mud as well. So here it is, guys. Hope you like the small accessory input here. I will put the link on my Amazon store, so if you're interested in taking an upper tinted upper shield, I will put it on my Amazon store. I will put the link below. I've also put a lot of different accessories on the Amazon link with like a great price and discounts on it. So if you're looking for that kind of accessories, make sure that you look at that page. You can get those accessories there with a great price on Amazon. So I will put that link. Don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell so you don't miss the new upcoming videos as well. We're gonna be doing a small ride at Hungry Valley this next weekend. I'm gonna put the details on the following video as well. But here it is. Hope you guys like it. See you next time.